What's the meaning of balti? Balti. Balti.
Balti. Balti. Balti is a type of cuisine that originates from the Baltistan region of Pakistan. It is characterized by the use of a wok-like pan, called a balti, to prepare and serve the dish. Balti cuisine typically includes a variety of spices, such as cumin, coriander, and turmeric, as well as ingredients such as meat, vegetables, and lentils. The result is a flavorful and aromatic dish that is often served with naan bread. Balti cuisine has gained popularity in other parts of the world, particularly in the United Kingdom, where it has become a staple of British Indian cuisine.